Hi, my friend, Rhonda Kay here, and two things that I like to do. I like to encourage and empower you, and I also like to share with you how you can earn extra with referral and affiliate programs. So Netspend, this is a company that's been around for a very long time. I want to share with you, they've updated their website, so it looks really great, and I want to reintroduce to you their Refer a Friend program. So how does that work? Well, for every friend that you refer, you will get a $20 credit, meaning they're going to add $20 to your prepaid card, and the person who you referred will get $20 as well. So, for example, I'm a Netspend prepaid debit card holder. So when I refer you and you add $40 to your account, Netspend will give you $20 and they'll give me $20. You go out and tell more people, when they add 40, Netspend will add 20 to their account and 20 to your account. That's how it works. Okay? So there's something very important I want to tell you before I share with you how to actually order your card. You have to load $40, okay? And then there's also a load fee. In my area, it's $3.95 to load it. So that means I would need at least $44 to pay to the cashier, right? The system will see that I paid $3.95 to load it, and it will see that I added at least $40. It has to be $40. So to be on the safe side, I always tell people to load $50. It's your money anyway, so you load the 50, and then if you need to go to, use it, just spend it online like you normally would, but I would load at least $50. So that'll cover you adding $40, and it will also cover your load fee. Okay? Yes. Now, this is what you do. You come to this page, you click on Net Prepaid, and then you click on Netspend Prepaid Card. You'll put your email address in there, and then you'll sign up and order your card. When you get your card, you will go to one of these locations, or you can put, click and find the nearest location to you. You'll go there. You'll load $50. Okay? And it shouldn't take very long. You'll see that Netspend has added $20 to your account. That's it, my friend. The only thing that may prevent you from getting the $20 is if you already have a Netspend card. That's what I have run across with a few people down through the years. And that being said is Netspend, a lot of companies use Netspend for their payroll cards. Where I work, Netspend is our payroll card. It's called something else, but Netspend is on the back end. All right, it's the payroll card. So if that's the case, you can still order you a prepaid card, and you can still tell other people who are new to Netspend about this, so that when they load 40, you can get 20 and they can get 20. But I wanted to mention that because that could be one of the reasons why you would not get the $20 credit when you load $40 is because you already have a Netspend card, or you've already done this and you just haven't used your card in a while. So there's still a benefit. You can still go out and tell people. People that I'm helping here presently are college students, okay? They need to get books and pay for their tuition and fees, and this is very helpful for them to pay for their meals, little petty cash things, all right? So there's an opportunity for you to still help other people and get a $20 credit, all right? So with that being said, thank you so much. And again, I can't guarantee anything. I can only tell you how this works. And again, when you do use my link and you add $40, you'll get 20 and I will get 20. The good thing about that is Netspend adds the money. You don't send me anything. I don't send you anything. Yes and yes. So a lot of people don't know about this still. Even though Netspend has been around for 20 years, there are a lot of people who do not know that this is a perk or a reward of Netspend's prepaid debit card refer a friend program. All right. So many blessings to you.